have a fucking body right here. You could legit have somebody sit here.
Oh my goodness. Dude, you're like another engine. I think you add about 6 horsepower.
$6,000.
You and this battery. Oh my god. This is actually insane. Look at that. Dude, this thing is sweet. Alright, ready? Yeah. It definitely won't. We need more power.
Whatever. I don't know, you can try to fucking spray through this.
No way. This is the tits. Oh my god, where are the gears even on this thing?
Are you backing in?
No. Just pull it down. Pull it right up next to the garage, yeah. Right to the right. Jesus.
That doesn't look too satisfying.
It's because of the water in the basement.
Convention. What, is it not sealed?
No, yeah, it's 10 times worse. Like, it's coming up through the whole floor now.
Really?
Yeah, like the whole basement's flooded right now. And like we just had like a system put in, so it's all like fucked up. Like bad. Oh dude, this was a Sierra.
Is it not pumping on and off?
Thing's mint. Yeah, this thing's solid. Ish.
Oh, it's not gonna start.
Why? So basically not really sure what I'm doing with them yet, but I'm gonna be figuring that out soon, as in like today. So we're gonna be starting with this blue truck because I think this is the one that I am going to not put any money into and sell to someone else as a project possibly, and then I'm going to keep this one. But so yeah, so basically today I think I'm going to start with this one and be attacking this one as the first half of this project. I might put some mechanical work into it, I'm not sure. This one I really don't have any idea what I'm going to do with it yet. Okay, so we got the green machine running, idling right now. It's actually idling pretty good, but it stalls out every time I hit the gas, so we'll be looking into that tomorrow. Gotta figure out what the fuck to do with all this shit. But yeah, I got the inside of this one kind of cleaned out. Got all that shit out of the bed and the boxes. And so my plan is still kind of evolving as the day goes along. The bed is pretty fucked. Inside looks like it's been through like 6 lifetimes. We literally have like red door, blue panel, red seat. Then over here it's like baby blue. Then it's green to black, back to green. Yeah. But tomorrow will be more of a mechanic day. Today is kind of just like a cleaning them up and seeing what's good with these guys. Cleaning out the interior now on the green truck. Just finished up the bed a little bit. There we go. We got a yellow bed on top of the green. So there's another color to the, let's see, oh, yellow, red, green, black, light blue, black, green, red.